na metadia mobi wa bruchiri. That time I don't know, 15.9 something. So the base is 16 no. You first tranche in the and second way go to Yamano. I think becomes 13 cities. Don't check here. Sikano, it's what to him. The whole point is a cow say about ball mining and by paying for no make us say, Mama, why had dear? Whatever it is, I don't know do baby a druno. Because Togo, Oko Nigeria, or more currency, no, is not beating the dollar the way Ghana did. It means whoever is managing the dollar, no, they are doing something special in the area. But I think, say, oh, here robust ideas. But unfortunately, people are, I don't know whether they really do give this man advice.
Now, not me, so, Obiama comment to be on Facebook. It's coming from Senyo Yaudu, Robert. Ghana currently finds itself a bit of creative leadership drought. Our leaders seem more like experienced problem managers than visionary trailblazers. Yes. Honestly, by now, we should be far ahead, making Dubai look like a small village. If our leaders could take a good hard look in the mirror, they might realize that citizens shouldn't have to lace up their shoes for work, and education and essential services should be free for all in Ghana.
Yes.
It is disheartening to see them pocketing funds while living lavishly with their so-called cucumbines. Let's not even get started on the fact that we still can't boast of a single national airline. Instead of sleek train system connecting Kumasi Volta region and the northern region, we are left dreaming of the day when hopping on the train might actually be a reality.
You see, Nipa we know or pain said that we will pain. I mean, I don't see why our leaders should be complaining about say we know. Let me say we a leader, it is your duty to bring forth what is not there. That is your duty.
So we a leader, it is your duty to bring forth what is not there. That makes you a leader.
You cannot just keep on thinking within the box. You should think outside the box. Within 24 months, you should be able to make serious galloping because everybody is talking about him. It doesn't mean say Niger and Mali so almost the same.
Almost the same. The Sahel.
But we know
Burkina. Now, I can say uranium do as can put do a free move.
You can go online and check.
Yeah, I will check.
Maybe I'm a research power.
Good.
So whenever I'm saying anything like this, and meaning they may say, not uranium, no, but they might France.
No, $1 billion.
$1 billion a year.
A year.
Now, say, I'm cancel deal.
About 80.
A year, $86 billion. So when you say, I better not see that thing. Go to Burkina, I mean, call about the social media.
Sure.
And then or because the money is there. Ghana, you will gold, you will diamond, you will wait, and say back when you're quite the same. Lithium.
Patrick, I told you to do a search for me.
Lithium no money. But you better answer and China by me better $3 billion. Now I'm defending in the court. Young benefiting free anything. So the whole point is say Ghana, your politics na did me, I am not a politician, and I don't think I even qualified to be a politician. So me a president. Me catch it up playing 4 years is too much.
Wow. It's your Ghana show on sir.
Me say
4 years is too much.
4 years is too much for me.
Wow.
The most greatest resource in this material universe is not money. It's the human resource.
Wow.
Yes. Good. And we have the human resource here. Okwa bontia. Yes, say Germany ho me boy. Be kromba bia ye fi. Right?
And I just
ye ko kroma ye say Germany ha.
Yes, but kromba bia ye fi.
Bia ye fi. Ti say o say anyi say fi ni franya Juma.
Juma pa.
So what do you tell me say Germany ho?
That says Juma of the Amazon line.
Juma, ye ka say Juma, on see development. Development to Juma. And Juma say development. Oh, Banati Mark say 2 million be as only Juma. What's your Juma? But Kroma be a fee. Congo Bantimunia Juma, but some be 1,000 Ghana cities. A Juma development is there. So the whole point is that our leaders, Mimi Nimezali, Mahama, somehow or the other, and I seem said this time around, no, he's doing something different from what has been happening, especially in regards to the way it's here. And then so you'll be able to follow politicians. It's like he knows what he's talking about. So I hope, say, this strategy drill because ma no matimi as some amount for a fili wo mubotom. But my case no man be no aban bia for koso sa no man be na ontimi develop Ghana ha.
Niema mienu ben.
These two things, no pet men kase other ones in here. Every other thing is very important. But aban obetimi ma Ghana ye I will be able to focus on no man be no be priority. Number one, road construction.
Road construction,
yakwan nyina must be paved. Number two, focus on agriculture.
Our road networks and agric.
No man be a new way of focus on one. All the other ones will follow. Now, none of my some analysis be what I said. Is your quarter. Land litigation or holding us and ketwa. And I'm land guards for choir or moya. Because we be up so better than ha. The reason is say, so what did they say? Take your man take. No, you're doing what cry. It means that they be able to a jumum. Because choir no enye. Zabana ya choir no do carry from here to Kumasi and I here to say Boliga. Ntine do higher two. Ntino say your land be will take your man here. And nam say a hono ya kura na amount for fum ko ntino. Land ne bo be ya fo. So any person be na be a usika some ancient ni so no. Ubetimi akope some half plot to be e wo. Sika or better land okokwa benya around that area and one plot almost on 700,000 Ghana cedis. 600 because 800,000. Said that kwa ho mo 100,000 $150,000 kwa benya ya.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
Dollars.
For instance, say Danya yes a land there is 800,000 Ghana one plot. Okotika mountain one now bet 100,000 cedis. So 100,000 Ghana cedis. It means the 700,000 akano. Ubetimi dey see 3 bedroom also. And as ubetimi you 600,000. Who dey see 3 bedroom. For 100,000 akano for toss some small Kia Picanto be and for Kia morning be. And I'm saying quarantine so oh ba within 15 minutes from Tikamante to Accra obedu. So you don't need to go now no being called as a woman so one can room. Oh Orlando Tikamante a obetime su fie ho. Sikanka abeto land one cran no. Ebetime to land no SNC fie to ka keto ba kwa ka ho ma obetime atena Tikamante. Kwan na ye nti wo ba adwuma akwa uni traffic mu. Nti aban ye kwan na first na man for stress of motor traffic mu adwen na obufuo no ebefiri ni ba komom. We are driver now drive now kwa adwuma na obi di na o move ya na obuafu. Nti abufuo be ba so bedu adwuma mu na akoma na kwa na asai. Ti she management wa hu e ade bi e very subtle. Okokuro bi so a obi ani me sere because no man kedin ye unnecessary no eni ho e so mabufuo. Ba ye de e wo drive na ka kwan so a obu be force wo du adwuma mu. Yeah, because what you come to tell me kuru oka wa na wato wa de. Sanyo na wato no to obi ka mu de umfili, but what you come na tell me mu a uyam hye hye nyagoro. People are not driving properly. You be do adwuma mu no. Na obuo fu de da.
Now there's a story here. Mama assures timely payment for big push contractors. Unveils new expressway plan. President John Dramani Mahama has announced that all contractors under the Big Push infrastructure program would be paid within 2 weeks of submitting their payment certificate. Speaking during his thank you tour in the Upper West region, he said the government has made financial provisions to avoid payment delays and accelerate the start of critical road projects.
Please, they should go ahead and do it. But said that make no more focus on to say main road.
Yeah.
And I may say all the access small route no. On one can some creative pavement blocks. It is very simple. A man who dream main road no asphalt is okay, but then the kind that have fiana or no. Most say the pavement.
Now, do you think it's about time, say Ghana ha? Once you have said, say we have leadership problems, you know. I will say yenya think tanks bia. Woman no omedriama o mine. Do you think it's about time?
Think tanks and dream kura bi na politician yes official onye. Wa driama na kura onye. Because mo adwen papa mutu kwankwa abrochiri. De e wo ha mo hu no ade na mo fa bi ma ha. Adwen bone na wo mutirim. No, it's sad. Senior, it's sad though. So here among for krum once I go Dubai and Okoha for Emirates kwa ba ko do na ba 6:30 anopa. house hotel no has a check-in best at 9. The means obako train kakra unless omo room ho memo early check-in. Na matter prema best 8 to 9 was my bresa na makodu hotel no. No me so me train. Na omo be check me in. Me gina wa me say Emirati bi Dubai ni bi. Ye wo kill no so no. Abetwama for yanim akogina ayi ni ho anya ne kasa na me say what is that? Oba ne wa ha today ntina watwa obi yedi. I said no. He I'm Emirati or Emirati ni.
Wow.
Now I'm saying no, I won't take this nonsense. Who will be cruel maybe because I will me. I won't allow that. Now I'm saying when I was here before you came. Me ma won 7 no. Ti before when you know be na me jiga nya sem keto o. Me ho nyu sa o.
Na honyo.
Me ho nyu sa.
Na jara.
Say me say jiga o. I'm saying no, I won't accept this. You need to check me first because I'm tired.
And yes, he's saying.
Ti here happen na. Guy no who dey na me bu afu na. Why no ye na o check me in normal me room. Daddy akora keto a wo ebi pack a wo be adwuma me kurom no because I me ko no kurom no ombu ndi wo to kan ko how you treat abibifo a ye kurom ye nya hayi ha na ye dia how bia bonten you don't need to carry any document wo abrochire police gina pe no ye machew wonya bani o but they can use any means to sack you how na police ni gina wa wo akwa they no wagira me wontimi kan wa abrochire because usuro nti wo kurom you say home is home. Fie ni fie nti den den yempa info hu ni sei ye fie ni yenye ni yie na amanfo mra ha okọ Dubai no ko hu say Dubai is very nice bibia ye okay ya then omaye we insist obedin so okay de omaye ya ma Dubai kama no me de bi ko mi kuma ko sha se wo ho no no ha say bi say ha kura no apartment ne boy sen adan ne boy sen nti obedin say onye bi woni kurom no en de oba beto dan wo Dubai mu abetena ho adwen bonne ni adwen fi obedi bi ba ni krom na ni krom fo bia benefit no obewie sika abeto da ni wo Dubai ntino every holiday bia na akọcha ho na akọji nani but for me I think as a leader it is your duty to help your people anything I me call Dumasia no I felt said e kro ketwa about 6,000 residents ahanya ba bia sika bi da ba bia okotam abebibi by you decided say a bit change no money. Go there and see say cry am no ka say. Na no mfre ka say dum so e ba hopa. Nti your camera okru no ba bia. Emi ami bottom skata na be ka kire wahala.
Yeah, last o ka
kire. Can ba bia 128 CCTV can na AI powered.
Wow.
Ni na AI powered. I want na weapon sha ho a e be detect say asumasi weapon sha ne ho. Ya na e koto ni apen microphone no ma ye ho adwuma.
Sunya duasia.
Ba hade Omo ka kire me say light no nse ekoko off. And the empese obi benya chance bi no ye bibi. Nti then ye beye. The madam for baako wo China to see me ka kire ne say ompe solar powered CCTV ka baako be say 50. Kuro no already your CCTV camera woman no use general electricity. But your solar ones ni bia. Na ye mfa mbobo vantage point eno de ehia say ebe yusu sa natural grade no na eno ankasa yusu na yi mia na medwe ho sa because if you say what boka dey we bad light on engine so na nsen ma wa what do you do already no coverage ho my solar powered ones eno hia ECG power no sam no abu ha I just told him me the charge be kire no di eno o kire me vision na me say onko company no go bi so me say so pe say 50 you saying I'm thinking that's a leader. No, I mean, way we say, so about to be a metra when change can say, oh, I do you should think.
Somebody has sent a comment on Facebook. The person says that it saddens me to say, oh, let's see, Nana messages in the banner, I tell you, hey, messages in the banner, but oh, person. We crowd that message to us. Okay, but because screen so they are carrying all those messages because a big crowd say na Jana. I don't know man mama. Every sabri want me to in San Fro say brana for drink a crab bread.
When the chance I drink the more, but minim say
I drink the more.
Omo say omo cocoa school omo experience saying say omo you selfless. Definitely they will find ways and means of making me develop Ghana. Made them account. President Mahama Pa Sa di me ni on focus na adwen on say Ghana ya kwan
any
agriculture
any
these two things health ehia education ehia but I'm telling you say I'm anyway so when you focus na we ebe your priority number one e bre say wo ye ne den all the other branches ni nyina no will follow suit because the thing say kwan na opave no there are so many problems that automatically when you pave kwan we are no way is a problem dey free. That's number one. And agriculture already no you will kuafo gu ho moye ndo baye and papa yi me kokofori dia this early morning me free be 5:30 nti me call me bedu ya na maba mu hayi na ye dan kwato ye ba no ohwe nuane pa e wo kwan mu ho body ne banche no enkre ha wo market wo so koto banche body a ne body nya agro
Adra me imagine say me call adwa na ye wa ye ha ya domi market ya body betting back we 10 cedis body betting back we 10
cedis make we dey ko fodi ha ya me say no pa when me free ba my engineer on top because na me ba na me delay esa kwan no bebre banche body bebre se kwan ye very good ah ubetimi decide say ma me ntu me ka na me nkoto banche ni bia mfura me gu fie ba o kwa kwan de we krum ba no so kokra say so what I'm saying me hamio say President Mahama say obidima somebody should tell this man say they make on fact simple so obeje na me no me na say Ghana all your road network ni nyina no ye about 79,000 kilometers ni nyina de aye na nyina 79 16% pe na ye tired
wow
to ade say nya be say 22 to 25 billion dollars Ghana road networks now will be asphalted because say oh yeah kwan na baby ha omoje $100,000 will be $1 million depending on area now
yeah
nti abane pen okokodi loan boom now by Ghana kwan nyina de man no ye de kai is $100 trillion kwan na Ghana ni bia benefit ya that's what we want ti Mahama pa sa dia making say wanya no twenya na be ka be say eyi ama ya to ba obenu no ho because the thing say omo ye okokwasa saa woni be ba ho so na ka eyi pe a wo ba be na fe ho no akwai prepare ho unya brekwa decide properly say see e ba mfofora onyanya 6 months no on function na adwum say Ghana kwan nyina o person ye obetimi aye main ones na asphalted ones no main roads no by all the inner ones no on fan creative job magana for youth for every assembly bia na your assemblyman ho the government can do this on procure machine ye dey try pavement ni bi every assemblyman bia anya ba ko na mienu e won assembly area ho mrante maba wa ne maba no mu ni adwuma omo ye no omo adwuma no wa pa engineer ba ko na e be kire omo de omo ye simple apostle fafo eye mfidie o man is case see as wo hia machine e twa pavement a obetimi ayama within 6 months. And then the woman is he will be forced to get more workers.
And so now, I don't want my juma.
Now, the juma oh. In your Bible, we are every assembly BI. See you try your pavement blocks. Your inner roads. You need only one engineer. Assembly be one engineer. So one engineer or manager who say, "Can I no? Yeah, the pipes are too." I said, "Be a month for some train. It be and sue and it become fear on baby. Baby, I say they got to. You do this." Within 1 year, Ghana baby will be paved. Yes, can now day, but a bit benefiting for sure was on Yagro. Share Middle East. So Dubai for say signed deal with the US $1.2 trillion. It doesn't mean so many you. Obama say we are singing and America is a superpower. And I come Middle East one Iran for news one. So many nuclear weapons. Omunya se CIA, Saudi Arabia, Israel, and all the other you have no more big problem. So everybody need protection for America. It is only America sign a deal say it means America need wars. Say Iran sort of more money. People are smart. Okokata kikukitwa. Almost say talk to President Trump jet $400 million. I'm say gift on fire.
I think I saw that yesterday.
Say nipa, no matter who you are, when somebody offers you something,
you submit to the person.
You begin to see the person differently.
Sure.
And you know, buy a honey, you're fine. You know what you do? You free a kum your mouth. Jetta a 400 million. Yes, from Wosikade. We are sick and you was you fee. When I was you feel. Or be a hand down with you. Or you could or call a foam. No, could try to board your back on a boss if you're right. Me call you me body and doesn't take your back one. I get a woman to body and you. So small just can why I'm on. So the time across no onion is going to be an to a winter to feed them more.
No, great.
This is the human brain. Until when him. So they are spending so much money, say America for your home year. Obia so by attacking him say, you guys have the power to defend us. And you know, abandoning him so, Yakobo Sia. The Ghana for who toying. Na, or my crying, you okay, or Muni and some you okay. And found no Bosia or Ghanaians will not even complain. Timid may say President Mahama, no man, you know, name paying for training, which I mean, some program a quick
cheaper.
On focus on the road. Road, you know, main ones are onion asphalted. And only the no here
sure
major things. But all the momentum no on baby pavement blocks. And then you call a Kofodia no main you know Kronuman Casano.
Yeah.
So many places on machine pavement. You know me when say, hey, are you nice? I'm say yes. Pavement will it will last 150 years. So in here it will last 150 years because Sebako say obet we not for fresh.
Now I'm in town so I'm say